Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Summer and I have such a special project for you guys today. We are doing a bedroom makeover, but it's actually a little more special because this bedroom is going to be shared with a baby. So it's going to be a bedroom slash nursery makeover for one of my good friends, Alini, and her husband, Rafa. They're expecting a baby boy and she's due any day now, so we literally have a crunch on time because she's gonna have this baby, and so we need to get this space. She's nesting, she's ready to get this place going. She wanted very like gender neutral vibes. She didn't really want anything to be too baby in there because they're gonna be sharing the space with the baby. And so we've done some fun DIYs and we're gonna kind of do like a boho sort of theme in there. And I'm so excited. This is such a special project. Alini is such a kind soul. She's amazing. She does like Reiki and all kinds of cool stuff. She's also a licensed therapist, so you should invest in doing therapy because that's investing in yourself, and you know, why not invest in yourself? Anyways, I am about to head over to Alini's today. We are doing this project in one day and for a budget of $300. So let's get started and check it out. Checked out Alini's space and realized she already had a cool sense of style and the furniture placement was working well for the space. It was really just a matter of tying it all together. I then went and created some sketches based on Alini's room and put together an overall plan for her bedroom space. I then went to Pinterest, as I always do, and then started creating a mood board. Based on our budget and the items that we wanted to choose, we then made some compromises and scaled back to just the basic necessities to really tie this space together. Do you like being in a video, Rosie? Are you a video dog? Are you famous? Are you famous? Oh, okay. Guys, so I'm out here on my patio. I'm getting started on some DIY projects for Rafa and Alini's bedroom slash nursery makeover. We are working on a really tight budget of $300. So these DIY projects are going to really make this space come alive. It's a good way to stay on budget and to upgrade the space. So let's get started with DIY number 1. I found a unique piece of wood on the side of the road and knew I wanted to use it in the space. I just wanted to scuff this up just a little bit. I didn't want to lose all of this darker wood color, so I used the electric sander to kind of scuff it up a little bit. And now I have this paint. It's like just a sample paint. These are super cheap. This is called Greener Pastures by Behr Paint that I got at Home Depot. And I'm going to use a dry paintbrush and kind of make some, add some color to this. This is our finished product and it looks so good. I just love that you can see kind of still like some of the natural like redwood in there and the green. And I kind of wanted this like rustic boho-y vibe. I'm going to use this as like potentially a like kind of like an anchor over the baby's part of the nursery and do like a small little gallery wall underneath with some shelves, and I just think it's super cool and I love it. And I found this on the side of the road because I'm good at finding things on the side. DIY number 2. So I found these frames, which this is kind of cute, but I'm not particularly crazy about this, but I found some frames at Goodwill. This was $4.99, and I'm gonna go have some pictures printed from Staples of Alini and Rafa. That's going to be for the baby slash bedroom. And how cool, like a custom piece of artwork for $4.99. I'm not crazy about this color. I don't really like it. Again, I'm taking this out. There is no piece of glass in it, and I haven't decided. I may just keep it without the glass in it because we are on a budget here, but I may get a piece of glass cut. I haven't decided where I want to allocate some money or like cut back, but it will still look cool even without the glass in it. So I found this frame that I'm going to do. I'm going to spray paint the frame, probably black with the white matte, and using a black and white photo, so I think that will look nice. So I just came back from Staples and having my images printed out, and I put it in our frame that I painted, and I think it looks awesome. And it's going to be something so special to have in the space for them. Good morning, guys. So I am on day 1 of Rafa and Alini's nursery room makeover, and it's super early here, so I've got my morning face on, excuse me. But I wanted to get an early start. I got some coffee here. Wanted to get an early start because we're trying to do this project quickly. We're also trying to do things on a budget, and so I have some DIYs that I'd like to get in before heading to Alini's place. So check it out for DIY number 3. Okay. So for DIY number 3, I picked up some other things from Goodwill. So I found these like canvases. I believe this was $2. It's just like, you know, kind of a generic type of canvas here with flowers on it. I also found this one of a picture of a farm, which is pretty, but doesn't fit our vibe. So we are going to, I have just like some house paints like left over that I've used from past projects. I have this orange. You guys remember how many oranges I got from the boho bedroom makeover under $400 when I painted the orange headboard. If you didn't see that video, it's linked below. But I had a lot of leftover paint anyways, so we are going to utilize that paint because we're doing things budget friendly. My second canvas here, and I found these cool letters, like just little sticky letters on Amazon, and I'm gonna make a cute little sign. So I painted our canvas this off-white color, and I'm gonna put my letters down to what I wanted to read. I didn't know what I wanted. I kind of went with like mama, papa, baby. I was gonna do like mama sheep, baby sheep, or baby sleep. I don't know. I was trying to think of things, but I'm gonna do kind of basic and do mama, papa, baby, since this is their space. And I'm gonna put my letters like however I want them, and then I'm gonna paint a color over and then remove the letters, so the letters will be white, not black. I'm using a paper towel to kind of like dab on the paint because I want it to kind of have like a textured look to it, like more like kind of like a terracotta or something versus just like orange. So I'm just gonna use like an X-Acto blade to take off the letters here. And like this one got messed up a little bit, but even if some of them are messed up, I might like the like imperfection of it. But if I eat it, then I always have this white color that I can touch up. So our DIY projects really came out so cute. I'm really excited about them. So this is our leaf one that I did, and I added like some little black lines with the Sharpie, and I think it's just kind of organic and simple and cool. And I'm obsessed with this one. It's probably going to be backwards on the camera here, but it says mama plus dada plus baby equals love. How cute is this? I think it's so adorable. It has this like terracotta-y kind of feel to it. And then from yesterday when I had the prints made, I did go ahead and get a piece of glass cut that cost me $11.99 at Ace Hardware. And I'm so glad that I did decide to put the glass. It just finishes it off so much nicer. Again, this frame was from Goodwill for very cheap, I think like $4.99. So what a beautiful piece of artwork, and it's something so special to have in their place. And I'm really excited about these little DIY projects. I'm gonna get ready and head over to Alini and Rafa's house now. We have one more DIY project that I'm gonna let Alini work on because she likes getting creative too. So stay tuned for all of the rest. We're gonna complete this whole project in one day. I'm walking up to Alini's place. Look how nice this pool is. I wanna jump in later. And we're here. I'm so excited. I'm at Rafa and Alini's. Are you guys excited or what?
We are so excited.
Are you ready for this baby?
The mom to be here.
Yay! Okay, well let's get started. All right. Okay, thank you. So I'm over here and we're at Alini's space. We're on her patio. It's beautiful out here. And we're gonna be working on our DIY number 4 because we're adding a lot of DIY projects to your nursery. And so we got these frames that we got from Goodwill and spray painted them yesterday. And we're gonna make something really pretty. And I wanted Alini to make this beautiful piece of art for her baby boy. And so we're just gonna trace out the back of the frame on this paper. We're gonna use some of our recycled paints that kind of match our color theme. And you can get creative. I've shown you this trick before where I used craft paper and tape it up on the walls to create a gallery space before making holes on the wall. So we got up all of our craft paper on the wall, like our map on the wall, how we're gonna do this space. I made holes where I need to drill. Get power tools. Here's these little nightstands on OfferUp, and we are going to sand them down, just scuff them up a little bit because they had a little too much wear and tear. We're going to add some new hardware, new handles, and we're going to upgrade these nightstands to put it in a new nursery. So I'm just changing out our hardware for the nightstands that we got, and it really just elevates the overall look. Like now it just has more of a modern, rustic feel to it than a 90s feel to them. So just by doing a simple hack like changing the knob work can really change the entire look and feel of your furniture. Our one-day bedroom / nursery makeover. Yes. What do you think?
I love it.
I think it looks so good. We had a lot of stuff in here. We didn't change all of the paint, or we didn't buy like new furniture. We did this for a pretty tight budget, around like $300, $350. You had some items. I had some items that I wasn't using. We refurbished some items. We did our own DIY projects. You made some beautiful artwork. It looks so good. I'm so excited. And Alini has been a champ today, even being pregnant and ready to have this baby boy any minute. She has been helping out as much as she possibly can. And so we have left us a big surprise for Rafa. So let's surprise Dad and see what he thinks of it.
Your dad. Here it is. Wow! This is looking great.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Ready for Mom and Dad? Ready for baby boy to come in here?
Yes.
Relax.
Yeah.
Feels cozy, right?
Yeah, cozy enough for him for sure.
Yeah.
Look at the nightstand that you were having questions, but doesn't look good.
And just changing the handles, there's like such a big deal, I think. And your beautiful picture, you guys.
That was such a good touch. Yeah.
Well, I hope you guys enjoy this space and are ready to be Mom and Dad and take on the world. So
it's coming.
Yes.
Thank you, Sommer,
Of
for
course.
working with us on our
Thank
tight
you.
budget and for just helping us really bring this place to life.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I'm so honored. I'm glad you guys love it. Enjoy this new space with baby. And please, if you like this channel, give it for all of the red.